Okay, so everyone's been talking about ChatGPT, right? Like, it's everywhere.
It really is.
Using it for all sorts of crazy stuff.
Yeah.
And I mean, everyone's kind of freaking out over what it can do.
Yeah.
But while OpenAI was busy making AI like everyone's new best friend,
Right.
Amazon was quietly building something pretty remarkable in the background. And today we're going to unpack how Amazon is planning to take on ChatGPT.
Okay.
And what this whole,
Right.
like tech rivalry means for you.
Absolutely. It's a really fascinating dynamic. You have OpenAI, kind of like a newcomer,
Right.
comes out with this like revolutionary tool,
Yeah.
democratizing AI, putting it right in our fingertips.
Yeah.
But Amazon's been deeply embedded in the AI world for years with its history of AWS and Alexa.
Totally. Yeah, it's true. They've been kind of a silent giant
Right.
in this space. But before we get into Amazon's strategy,
Okay.
let's just break down what makes ChatGPT so special.
Sure.
For anyone who might not have had a chance to really explore it yet.
So ChatGPT is driven by what are called large language models, specifically GPT-3,
Okay.
and its even more powerful successor.
Right, GPT-4.
These models are trained on a massive
Wow, yeah.
amount of text data, which allows them to generate like human quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content,
Right.
and answer your questions in
Yeah.
an informative way.
It's crazy.
The difference between GPT-3 and GPT-4,
Yeah, what is it?
GPT-4 can process
Oh, okay.
not only text,
Wow.
but also images,
Really?
making it even more versatile.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Yeah.
So it really does feel like you're having a conversation with well, something intelligent. I even heard that OpenAI's ultimate goal is to achieve artificial general intelligence, or AGI.
AGI. Yes.
Is a level of AI that would have the ability to learn and reason across a wide range of tasks,
Yeah.
just like a human being.
Right?
So, like, think about it. An AI that could not only, like, write a poem, but also understand the emotions behind it, solve complex math problems,
Right.
and maybe even compose a symphony.
Right.
That's wild.
Yeah.
That's incredible and a little bit intimidating, to be honest.
It is. It is.
But
Yeah.
so OpenAI was capturing the public's imagination with ChatGPT. Amazon was quietly working on its own AI powerhouse.
That's right.
They already had a massive presence in cloud computing
Right.
with AWS. And then there's Alexa, which like changed the way we interact with technology at home. It's like they've been laying the groundwork for this AI showdown for years.
Absolutely. And their answer to ChatGPT is AWS Bedrock.
AWS Bedrock.
It's a service that lets businesses build and use generative AI applications, also powered by large language models. But here's where things gets interesting.
I'm listening.
Amazon's focus is on customization.
So it's not just about offering like a one-size-fits-all chatbot like ChatGPT.
Exactly. Bedrock empowers companies
wow.
to tailor the AI to their specific needs and integrate it seamlessly with the AWS services.
So smart.
They're already using.
Wow.
Imagine a retailer using Bedrock
to
create an AI shopping assistant.
Oh, wow.
That knows your style preferences, understands your budget, and can even recommend outfits based on upcoming events on your calendar.
That's a whole different level of personalization.
Right.
It sounds like Amazon is betting big on giving businesses the tools to create their own unique AI experiences rather than offering a single all-powerful AI like ChatGPT.
It's a strategic move considering their existing dominance in cloud computing.
Right.
By offering customizable AI solutions. Through AWS, Amazon's tapping into a massive market of businesses that are already heavily invested in their ecosystem.
So in a way, Amazon is leveraging its strengths to take a different path towards shaping the future of AI.
Exactly.
It really makes you wonder like where Amazon might even go next with all this. They've got this incredible foundation with AWS, and they're clearly not afraid to push the boundaries with technology.
Yeah, and that's one of the most exciting things about this whole situation. You look at Amazon's history. They've been masters of like developing this behind-the-scenes technology that just like seamlessly integrates into our lives.
Totally, yeah.
Like think about their recommendation engine. Its AI is working quietly in the background, shaping our shopping habits. Without us even realizing it.
It's true, yeah.
And imagine that level of sophistication. applied to a whole range of AI applications.
And they've definitely shown a willingness to invest in long-term innovation. I mean, like, those delivery drones and cashierless grocery stores are straight out of a sci-fi movie.
Yep.
But how do you think Amazon's approach to AI will impact, like, the average person?
Okay.
Will we all be using Amazon-powered AI in our daily lives?
That's the question.
Yeah.
While OpenAI is focused on creating like a single super intelligent AI with ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Amazon's strategy seems to be about empowering businesses to build like a diverse ecosystem of AI applications.
So it might not be about like creating an Amazon-branded ChatGPT killer that like everybody uses.
Exactly. It's more about providing the building blocks for like thousands of specialized AI tools that seamlessly integrate into our existing platforms and services.
So instead of interacting with like one central AI, we might end up interacting with a whole network of AI tools.
Exactly.
Each designed for a specific purpose.
Exactly. Imagine a world where like your banking app has an AI assistant. That helps you manage your finances. Your fitness tracker uses AI to create personalized workout plans.
Oh, wow.
Your favorite streaming service uses AI to curate recommendations based on your mood and viewing history.
That's pretty cool.
All powered by Amazon's technology working behind the scenes.
That actually makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
It aligns with Amazon's philosophy of offering like a vast selection and catering to individual preferences. But wouldn't that make things more complicated from a user's perspective? Like having to learn how to interact with a different AI for every service?
It's a valid concern.
Yeah.
But as AI technology evolves, we can expect to see the development of like intuitive user interfaces and like centralized platforms that simplify our interactions with these different AI systems. Maybe your smartphone or your smart home hub becomes the central point of contact.
So like a central hub.
Allowing you to manage and personalize all your AI-powered services from a single location.
That makes the future of AI feel a bit less overwhelming.
Right.
Yeah. But while Amazon is busy building its AI ecosystem, let's not forget about OpenAI and their ambitious plans to ChatGPT. Like, what are they up to while Amazon's quietly dominating behind the scenes?
OpenAI is definitely not slowing down. There's rumors swirling around GPT-5.
GPT-5.
The next iteration of their large language model.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's expected to be like a massive leap forward.
Oh, wow.
Potentially capable of understanding and responding to emotions.
Really?
Solving highly complex problems.
Wow.
And even exhibiting a level of creativity that rivals human capabilities.
It sounds almost too good to be true, but if anyone can achieve those kinds of advancements, it's probably OpenAI.
Yeah.
They've consistently pushed the boundaries.
It's true.
Of what AI can do.
And their commitment to achieving AGI is a testament to their ambition.
Yeah.
Imagine an AI that can learn and reason just like a human capable of tackling any intellectual task we throw at it.
Wow.
That's the holy grail of AI research.
So we have these two giants, both pushing the boundaries of AI, but with very different approaches. Is this a race to see who can reach AGI first?
It's more nuanced than a simple race. OpenAI is focused on developing a single, all-powerful AI. While Amazon is taking a more like distributed approach, building a platform that enables a wider range of AI applications. It's like comparing the invention of the light bulb to the development of the electrical grid. One is a groundbreaking invention. The other creates the infrastructure for an entire technological revolution.
So it's not necessarily about like which company is better, but rather about how their different philosophies will shape the way AI integrates into our lives. That's a fascinating way to think about it. But how does this rivalry ultimately impact the average person? Like, what will it mean for someone like me who just wants to use AI to make my life a little easier or more efficient?
The good news is, no matter which approach prevails, you're going to benefit from the incredible pace of innovation that this competition is driving. We're talking about smarter AI assistants, more personalized recommendations, and more efficient customer service interactions.
Yeah.
Imagine a world where AI can anticipate your needs before you even have to ask.
Okay, yeah.
Seamlessly connecting you with the information and services you need.
That sounds pretty amazing, but part of me can't help but wonder about the potential downsides of all this AI advancement.
It's important to acknowledge that any powerful technology
Right.
comes with potential risks and challenges.
For sure.
However, instead of focusing on those today, let's delve into some specific examples of how these competing AI approaches might manifest in your everyday life.
Okay, so less doom and gloom and more real-world impact.
Right.
Let's say I'm just like going about my day. How would I actually experience these two different AI approaches?
Well, imagine you're planning a trip.
Okay.
In a world dominated by ChatGPT's approach, you might turn to a single superpowered travel AI.
Okay.
It would ask you about your budget, travel style, and interests,
Uh-huh.
and then generate like a complete itinerary
Wow.
with flights, hotels, and even restaurant recommendations. Think of it like a super travel agent in your pocket.
That sounds amazing. No more like endless browsing through travel websites trying to piece together a trip. But how would Amazon's approach change that experience?
With Amazon's approach, you might still use like individual travel booking websites,
Okay.
but each one would have its own specialized AI powered by Bedrock,
Oh, okay.
working in the background.
Okay.
The flight booking site's AI
Yeah.
could analyze millions of flight options
Wow.
to find you the best deals tailored to your preferences.
Okay.
The hotel booking site's AI might recommend hotels based on like your past stays
Uh-huh.
and reviews from similar travelers.
Okay.
You'd still have choices, but each step would be guided by AI working to understand and meet your specific needs.
So it's less about like one central AI controlling everything,
Right.
and more about a network of specialized AIs enhancing existing services. That's a pretty big difference. But what about something less complex, like online shopping?
Think about how you shop online now. You might use a search bar, filter results,
Yeah.
browse through pages of products.
Right.
With ChatGPT's approach,
Uh-huh.
you could describe what you're looking for in natural language,
Okay.
and the AI would instantly generate a selection of the most relevant products. It's like having a personal shopper who understands your style and needs.
No more scrolling through endless pages of search results. I like the sound of that. But how would Amazon's approach impact my online shopping experience?
Well, Amazon's already doing a lot of this with its recommendation engine,
Right.
which suggests products based on your browsing history and past purchases.
Right.
But with Bedrock, they could take it to a whole new level.
Okay.
Imagine AI-powered style guides, virtual fitting rooms that use your body measurements to show how clothes would look on you,
Wow.
and even like AI-driven personalized promotions that offer discounts on products you're actually interested in.
It sounds like both approaches have the potential to make our lives easier and more efficient, but in very different ways. It's almost like choosing between a streamlined, all-in-one solution and a more personalized and customizable experience.
That's a great way to put it. And ultimately, the winner in this AI race
Yeah.
might not be a single company,
Okay.
but rather the approach
Uh-huh.
that best meets the needs of
Right.
individual users and businesses.
This has been an incredible deep dive.
It has.
It's amazing to think how much the world of AI has evolved in such a short time. From ChatGPT's public debut to Amazon's quiet power play, it feels like we're on the verge of a technological revolution.
It's definitely an exciting time to be following these developments.
For sure.
And as we move forward,
Yeah.
it's important to remember
Yeah.
that AI is a tool.
Right.
And like any tool, it can be used in many different ways. It's up to us to decide how we want to shape this technology
Right.
and use it to create a better future.
Well said. And who knows what incredible AI advancements await us in the years to come. Maybe we'll even see the rise of those emotion-sensing AI companions we talked about earlier.
Maybe so.
Only time will tell.
One thing's for sure, the future of AI is full of possibilities.
Uh-huh.
And we can't wait to see what happens next.
That's all the time we have for today's deep dive. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Amazon versus ChatGPT. Until next time, stay curious.